Well, political reactions continue to come in. Nyamika, thank you very much for the moment. Let's talk about when it comes to this shocking story. Even to reporter talking about as far as when it comes to women's safety is concerned. Women who are not safe at any age group, women who are not safe in their homes, women who are not safe when it comes to schools and colleges, women who are not safe on the streets as well, women who are not safe in their families. And here is a woman there who is not even safe when she is on ventilator support. Imagine that. This is a shocking case that has now emerged from Gurugram itself, where an air hostess on ventilator support was allegedly sexually assaulted. And this is coming across from an incident reported from a private hospital. The incident that reportedly took place on the 6th of April, but was formally reported on the 13th of April by the victim's husband. And based on the complaint, we are told FIR has been registered by the police, which has launched an investigation. Priyank is with us right now as we speak of another breaking update that is now coming in with regards to the investigation. The hospital, which is now responding to the allegations, has also issued a statement. It has come out to say that they have been made aware of the complaint from a patient and they have been cooperating with the investigating agencies by relevant authorities. And at this stage, no allegations has been substantiated, and all relevant documents, including CCTV footage from the hospital and from the time period in question, have been handed over to the police. The hospital says that they remain committed to support the process of investigation. We have Priyank with us right now. Priyank, fully cooperating with the investigative agencies. Is this some kind of, as far as when it comes to this entire incident is concerned, is the hospital not taking it seriously? It's a case of sexual assault on a woman on ventilator support.
The most shocking thing in the statement, Amita, is that the hospital has already given the verdict, where they have been saying that at this stage, on the basis of the CCTV footage, there is no allegation which can be substantiated, which means the hospital has already given the clean sheet to his staff. But what we got to know through the Haryana police, the Gurugram police, which finally lodged an FIR 2 days back, is that the complaint was received from the victim's husband. She was admitted in the hospital on 5th when she was traveling to Delhi, and she was undergoing a training program by the airline. She had some health issues because she was trying to learn swimming, and there were some swimming classes. She was soon shifted to this very high-profile private hospital in Gurugram, and after the deterioration in the health, she was shifted to the ventilator. What she has said that during this particular time period, when she was in the ICU, she was on ventilator, she was sexually assaulted by few people. She could not recognize them, but that was the allegation which was made by her.
Priyank, just interrupting you, we're getting many voices there, and of course all of them are horrified as far as this news report has now been coming in from a private hospital. Barkha Trehan is connected with us. Barkha, where exactly do you believe that women are safe? Here, apparently a woman on ventilator support was allegedly sexually assaulted.
Yeah, this is a really very disturbing incident. And I really feel what are we talking about when nobody is safe, even in the healthcare sector? Because there's a lot of trust when a person goes to the health sector. But I initially also said the same, and now again I'm repeating, that there should be a fair investigation. There are CCTVs everywhere. We should do a fair investigation and come out with exactly what has happened. See, whatever the woman is saying, I agree to what she is saying, and she needs to get justice. I stand with her. But we have to hear the other side of the story. Her dignity matters. But at the same time, when the CCTV will reveal many more things, a fair investigation when people will speak on that issue. She also said that there were two nurses. So we have to understand what the nurses' version is. And after the nurses' version comes out, a swift
Of course, all of the versions will be, kept as far as the perspective is also concerned. But this is something, as you mentioned, it's disturbing to say the least. I mean, where can we exactly say that women are safe? Thank you very much, Barkha, for your point of view. Brinda, the same question goes for you as well. I mean, we have heard and seen cases of abuse that has been coming right from families to colleges to educational institutes, and now even when it comes to hospitals as well. She's a patient on ventilator support.
Absolutely. So a place like a hospital that is considered relatively to be very, very safe. We have a patient in the ICU who has apparently been sexually assaulted and abused. This also goes to show that the management is not taking its responsibility seriously. Who are the people who are put on the night duty? Now, somebody said they must wait for the nurses to talk about it. The fact that some issue has come out like this, what is the need for us to ask the version of the nurses? That may be okay for a departmental inquiry and things like that. But when it comes to a ordinary citizen, we are scared that our children, our families are not safe inside the intensive care unit, where even visiting by families is such a big issue. There is so much of restriction. So the management must be held responsible. We usually discuss and debate about it. Somebody comes and gives us a shoddy report after 4 or 5 days, but never has the management been held accountable to keep the patients safe. And this is what we would like from this particular case. We saw what happened to the case in Kolkata. And this is increasingly happening. I think hospitals are taking patients for granted.
All right. So even when it comes to the doctors there, of course, we've seen the case happening in West Bengal, and it seems that from a high-end private hospital here in Gurugram, we are looking at a patient on ventilator support is not being spared when it comes to alleged case of sexual assault. Brinda, thank you very much for your point of view. Priyank, to you as well, as we are trying to get as many when it comes to information possible on the FIR that has also been put up by the police and has been filed by the police. What investigation from here on takes place, we'll get you more on that.